How to apply for Klarna Financing. Want to finance a big purchase? This guide shows you how to apply for Klarna Financing so you can pay for your purchases over a longer period of time. First, you need to find a merchant that offers Klarna Financing. Once you're at the checkout page, you'll see a few payment options, like select Klarna as your payment method. You'll then be taken to the Klarna payment page. On the Klarna payment page, you'll see a few payment options. Look for the monthly financing or pay over time option and select it. This option is for larger purchases and required a credit check. You'll be asked to provide some additional information and Klarna will perform a soft credit check. Once you've submitted your application, you'll get an instant approval decision. If you're approved, you'll be able to complete your purchase. You'll then receive an email from Klarna with a payment plan. It is a great way to finance a big purchase. You now know how to apply for Klarna Financing. Get ready to pay for your purchases over a longer period of time. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.